Sup guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beady Leeyah here with another update episode, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these pearly loop earrings, which is really kind of simple, to be honest. You can also use this method to redesign your whole loop earrings. Before we proceed, shout out to Leeyah. Hopefully I pronounced that well. Thank you for your support, it is really appreciated. And if you want to be mentioned in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, because I always do a random shout out for my subscribers. Anyways, let's get to it. So I'm going to be using loop earrings, super glue, and pearl bead size 8 and size 12. The pearl beads I'm using has a bigger thread hole than usual, cause the one with small hole would not enter the loop earrings, so do take note of that when you're getting a loop earring for this DIY. So I take one of my loop earrings and I start putting size 8 beads through it till I get to the other side, where I make sure there's space for one more bead, and I put the super glue there, and also I put the last bead there, after which I allow it to dry well. For the second style, I've already used a marker to mark where I'll be placing the beads, though it's not that visible. Then I'll pass like 2-3 beads through the loop earrings. Then I'll put the super glue at the place I've already marked. Then I move one of the beads there. I'll hold it there till it gets dry. That's how I will continue till I get to the other side. And I also use that same step to make the small loop earrings. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if it's as simple to you as it was for me, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bye.